So this is probably what Tokyo looked like around the time it was built.
Probably.
Really? That's good.
Yeah, I like that.
Oh, that's a cool thing. Alright. Third flories.
Mystery bull. Large-scale construction work replaced the antenna post of the tower that carried out the first time since its construction. A rubber baseball was then found from the inside of the antenna post. Wait. The ball hit by a baseball boy had slipped into a construction yard. It was intentionally put in by a construction worker as a memento. It was actually used in the construction work as some tool and so on. However, why? That's why it's called the mystery ball. Hang on, I'm gonna take a photo of this.
This is actually a pretty good view up here. All things considered.
Oh, look at the graves down there.
Oh, and shrines. Yep. I don't know if that's rain coming in or not.
Oh, it feels like I'm falling.
Raquel, I haven't told you why is it today? Not satisfied. You get something not satisfied. Come on. You wanted to buy something.
We shouldn't be taking photos of rain.
Whose fault was it to put the graves there?
Maybe someone in the middle of this.
Oh, look at that! Look at that! Look at that tower over there. It's got a bit of a garden on the roof.
Oh yeah, that's cool. That's the tower you want to bloody get a view from. I wonder if it has a rooftop exit. It's great up here. Like, we're not even in the center of Tokyo yet. Like, we haven't even been anywhere near it.
Oh, far out. You can just see the bottom. Yeah, there's an old swimming pool in there.
Oh, yeah. It looks like no one's used it in a while.
But it's still a bit too cold for it to.
I wonder if that's a school pool. And it's just filled up with leaves over the Christmas break, over the school break.
Probably.
I'd like to know what that building down there is with the slanted roof.
Might be a temple.
Or a giant ramp. We'll see what's down here.
Right.
Imagine walking down all these stairs to get to the bottom.
We give you some good exercise.
It's about 8 minutes walking.
Is it? Huh. Yeah, I'll get back to it in a minute. Let's have a look around here.
Wow. Looks kind of different now.
We've only gone down one level.
Must be the LED lights. Is it?
Holy crap. So, like, what's the thing say?
Area.
Well, at least they thought of a good way to stop people.
Do you want me to walk across it?
Yeah, alright.
Jump on it.
No.